I'm Krista Seiden, Analytics Advocate at Google.
And I'm Scott Herman, Product Manager for Google Tag Manager.
Welcome to the Getting Started with Google Tag Manager video series. In this series, we're going to give you an overview of what Google Tag Manager is, as well as walk you through several videos that are looking at implementation and use of Google Tag Manager. So with that, let's go ahead and dive right in. So marketers and developers want a tag management solution that is simple, reliable, secure, and integrates easily with their existing ecosystems. And that is Google Tag Manager.
Exactly. Google Tag Manager acts as the bridge between marketers and developers. It's a tool that helps you collaborate to make sure that you're able to deploy all of the most critical tags for your business needs. There's a variety of use cases for which you might want to consider using Google Tag Manager. Speed. If you want to improve the page load times by firing the tags within Google Tag Manager asynchronously. All tags within Google Tag Manager fire asynchronously in this manner to ensure the best possible performance. Consolidation. You can consolidate and manage tags with powerful editing tools and user permissions to add or edit tags with just a few clicks. Having this consolidated place to manage all of your tags can also help you deploy tags more quickly. And workflow. You can simplify your workflows to ensure that you're able to deploy your tags as quickly as you need with all of the relevant stakeholders involved.
We also want to be able to change tags with ease. We have rules-based triggers and easy-to-use tag templates, as well as auto-event functionality to help you manage tags with as little code as possible. So this works in that you can create or update your tags within the Tag Manager interface, and then deploys those with ease and speed without having to make actual code changes to your site. So we're eliminating a lot of the in-between steps that you would normally have without a tag management system.
Google Tag Manager provides a lot of benefits for you as an organization in deploying all of your measurement and marketing tags. It's safe, reliable, and accurate, and includes a variety of features to help you in this regard. Easy to use debugging tools, error checking, speedy tag loading, means you can be confident that every tag you deploy works as it needs to work. You can set up tags to fire one after another with tag sequencing. You can organize those tags into folders, and you can make sure that you're publishing the changes that you want to publish to all of your different testing environments, not just immediately to production. It's also worth noting that all custom HTML tags that are deployed through Google Tag Manager are scanned for malware and paused if any malware is detected. Google Tag Manager also incorporates a variety of features to help with your enterprise workflows. All of your custom environments can be set up, and you can use workspaces to ensure that relevant stakeholders are working on their tagging independently without running into each other. So one team can get their tags for Google Analytics ready, while another team gets their tags for Google Ads ready, and are able to publish their tags to those relevant environments without conflicting. If any conflicts are found, conflict resolution tools are available to help ensure that the tagging is done correctly.
So we hope that you can see the massive benefits that you can get through Google Tag Manager, and stay with us through this series to actually learn how to implement and use many of these features that we've talked about.